Hello, welcome. This is a video demonstration of Cybership mini tracker app for a full stack developer interview. So this is the application. I've gone ahead to add authentication on top of what I was asked to do, just to demonstrate my skill. It uses NextAuth, and all you need to do is you could use any of these. So we'll just use the first one, which is to request a login link. So we just use this email. I have the email opened already. I had to open an email for this purpose. And so a link has been sent to my email. And so that's the magic link. And once you come here, open it, click on sign in. It redirects us back to the application where it opens and shows us our tracker application. And here in the tracker application, you would notice that the person is signed in, and that's why you can see the email here. There's a logout button there. And what's most important for us here is really this table here, whereby you can see all the orders that we have in the database, and it has been paginated. It shows 20, a list of 20 at a time, as you can see. When we scroll down, I have 20. So if you want more, you just click on the next button, and it fetches the next page, and we have up to 100 items here. So you can keep going on up onto the fifth page. Now if you want to view the details, like the order line items for any particular order, I just need to click on any of the view you see. It shows exactly how many number of items you have in an order. So like this one is 3. Once I click on it, it loads up these 3 products that we have. It shows the name, the description, and the price. You could move to the next page, but in most of these items there will be no next page, or no items in the next page, because we have less than 20 items at a time. And if you're done, you could just close it or just click outside. And the search on top of here works. So the search here is a global search, so it searches through the whole field we have here. So if you type in anything, it should be able to respond. Like I'm typing in 745, and it's filtering based on the customer address. I could change this and do ERN, and it's searching based on the customer name, and every other place it has ERN. For example, there's E here in the customer address. And that is it basically for this tracker application. You can sign out at any time. As soon as you click sign out, it tells you it's leaving and it signs out. So let me just demonstrate how the sign in with Google works. So once you click on it, it will redirect you to Google, where you get authenticated automatically. So depending on your reception, this might take a minute, but as soon as you are redirected, it should go faster. So now that we've been redirected, I could just choose this first email here, and it gets authenticated on Google. And once I'm completely authenticated, I'll be rerouted back to my application, as you will see. And that is it. It fetches the other items we already have. And that is it for the UI. All right, so we could log out. And for the code, here on my VS Code, I have the code set up. I just run you through the folder structure. I have also added instructions on how to set up this project on your local machine. So you can just check out the readme.md file here. All instructions are already here. But basically, inside of here, we have the server, which contains our tRPC routes, and there is routes for the orders, there is route for the user, and there's route for order line items. So basically, we have orders and order line items to be the most useful ones that we made use of in this project. And inside of the app here, we're able to set up API for the authentication, and then the tRPC routes down here inside of the API. Then beyond this, we have our pages. So the page we really use is the order page, where we're able to render the order and request for the order line items. Then we use Prisma as the adapter here, and here is the schema. Then here is the seed file that you use to populate your database. I've added instruction to all of this inside of the README file, and that is it. This is how it works. This is the mini tracker application. Thank you very much. See you.